Today, I want to show you how to deploy applications into your Kubernetes cluster right from the CloudWorks dashboard. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on kubeconfigs and show you that I've already got a kubeconfig created. Because I've already got this downloaded locally, I could just go into the command line on my machine and start typing away, use kubectl, and deploy whatever I want. But there's a lot of fun ways to do this right from CloudWorks. So for example, I can click on Actions and I can open a new terminal. What's this going to do? Let's find out. It's going to open a terminal session, a virtual shell session, and it's going to come loaded with my kubeconfig as the default. And it lists all of the commands that are built in, including kubectl and Helm. So I want to install WordPress. I can come here to this WordPress Bitnami package, and I can copy this entire command, right? Bring it all in here. Helm install my release, the entire WordPress OCI URL, hit enter, and it's installing. That's it. That's all I have to do if I want to install a Helm chart. How cool is that? And it's done. It's done. It was that quick. And I did it all from the CloudWorks dashboard. So now instead of installing it with a virtual shell session, I'm going to use the CloudWorks App Catalog to install WordPress. Check this out. I come back to my main project and I'm going to click on this installed applications menu item here. And when it loads up, you'll see I don't have any. Let's solve that problem. I'm going to hover over this icon and I'm going to click on catalogs. Now, what this is going to show me is a listing of catalogs of applications that have been created. So I'm going to click on this Taikun Managed Apps Default Catalog, right? The one that I've already set up. And I'm going to come down to WordPress, click on this. Cool. And the install button lights up. It's ready. I click on this install button. And it's going to say, all right, no bound project. Which one do I want to use? I want to use this Azure project, the same one I just used Helm to stand up WordPress in and then tore it down. I want to do it again, but I want to do it here. So I'm going to bind project and continue. What's my application instance going to be called? It's going to be called Demo WordPress. What's the target project? As we said, the Azure K8s project. Cool. What namespace? I'm going to deploy it in default, make it simple. And that's it. I'm just going to stick with that. Cool. What's my username? What's my password? I'm going to keep all the defaults for now. Run it. And it's running. It's installing. How awesome was that? A few clicks of the button. I didn't have to type anything. Didn't have to look up any Helm commands. It's all set for me so that I can just configure what I need. And I'm off to the races. App has started installing. Here's the console output. I can watch as it installs. And this is going to take a second. And now it's all set up. So if I click on Demo WordPress, it's going to show me everything about this release in my project. In future videos, we'll look at how to expose applications, and then we'll go on to talk about other ways to use CloudWorks to manage your organization. Thanks for watching.